Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make achari paneer. I make achari paneer different ways, but today I am going to show you one of them. It has thick gravy, spicy and tangy flavor. Keep watching this video till end. Okay, first I will dry roast some seeds one by one to make the achari masala on medium heat. Half tablespoon coriander seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, half tablespoon black mustard seeds, half tablespoon yellow mustard seeds and 1 dry red chili. Let it cool down completely, then we will blend it. Now I am going to blend the roasted masala to make a fine powder. Our achari masala powder is ready. Now I will add half tablespoon mustard oil to fry the onion, bell pepper and tomato. First I am adding 1 medium size sliced onion. I will fry until onion turns golden. Now I am going to add 3 colors of bell pepper, yellow, orange and green bell pepper and 1 medium size tomato. I will saute it at least 3 to 4 minutes. Just make sure the flame should be on medium. We don't need to fry too long. It's done. Switch off the flame and let it cool. I am going to blend the bell pepper, onion and tomato. I will add little bit of water. I am adding 1 tablespoon red Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Again we will add little bit water. Now we will blend it. Our achari paneer masala is ready. Let's start to make the achari paneer. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon mustard oil to fry the paneer. You can use any cooking oil, but for achari paneer I prefer mustard oil. We will fry the paneer on low heat. Okay, it's done. I will remove the paneer. Do not fry the paneer too long, otherwise it will become harder. In the same pan I will add almost 6 tablespoons mustard oil. Now I am going to add, oil is hot, now I am going to add 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and pinch of asafoetida, 4 green chili finely chopped, 1 tablespoon grated garlic and 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Still I am cooking on medium heat. I am going to add 1 tablespoon turmeric. Now we will add onion, tomato, bell pepper, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and cumin powder paste. I will saute it until the oil separates. Before adding the yogurt, switch off the flame, otherwise the yogurt will curdle. Wait for 2 minutes, then we will add the yogurt. I am going to add yogurt. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons yogurt. Adding little bit water. Mix it well. For 1 pound paneer I have taken this much ingredients. Now I will turn on the gas. Still I will saute on medium heat. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes only. I will add one by one other spices now. Some lemon leaves, little bit chopped mint leaves, 1 cup chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon jaggery powder, salt according to taste. Now I am adding achari masala. I need little bit water to saute. I will saute it for 5 more minutes on medium heat. I am adding some water. Don't need to add too much water. I added half mug of water. Before adding the fried paneer, I am adding pinch of garam masala. Adding fried paneer. Mix it gently. Let it simmer for another few minutes on medium heat, but do not cover it. Paneer is ready. Now comes the last part. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon pachforon and 6 baby dry red chili. Pachforon is Bengali spice we make with 5 types of seeds. Equal quantity mustard seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds and nigella seeds. Switch up the flame and pour into the gravy. Without tadka achari, paneer is not complete. Just stir it gently. It's perfect. Look at this. It looks yummy, mouth-watering, isn't it? Wow! I can't wait to taste it. Let's serve it. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Try to make it at home. Then let me know how you like it. I am sure you will love it. Garnish with some dry baby red chili. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.